Why did Domino's cancel its 30 minutes delivery guarantee? Why did Domino's cancel its 30-minute delivery guarantee? Now we'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the options. The first option is loss of revenue, the second option is unsafe driving, the third option is increased compliance, and the last option is competitors paid it. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me tell you what is the answer for the question. And the answer for the question is unsafe driving. So that is the answer for the question, unsafe driving. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click this share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.